Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you MazeMaker review. So what actually is MazeMaker? Guys, MazeMaker is the world's first one-click puzzle and maze book creator cloud-based platform along with several inbuilt puzzles, mazes, riddles, etc. with PLR license. Sell unlimited puzzles and mazes on Amazon Kindle or directly to your clients with unlimited commercial license. Make easy money by selling puzzles books on Amazon, KDP, Shopify, etc. Or also you can sell these mazes and puzzles books on freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, Guru.com, peoplepower.com, Shopify, Amazon Kindle, and also eBay platform. You can sell these puzzles book. Guys, I am going to show you step by step all the information about this MazeMaker software. I am going to show you also a quick demo how actually works this software. Guys, this is my honest review. Don't skip this video before watching the demo. Guys, I am going to show you also the pricing and OTOs of this software MazeMaker that no one can share with you. I am going to show you also the secret information. Right now I am in the sales page of this software MazeMaker. Limitless customizable puzzle and maze books maker in 60 seconds at a low on-time price. Keep in mind guys, this is the one-time price software. Creator of this software MazeMaker, Akshat Gupta. Who is Akshat Gupta? Akshat Gupta is a top 5% vendor on Warrior Plus Marketplace. He is also the #1 affiliate marketer. He knows how to make money from online. Okay guys, he is also the one of the best vendor on Warrior Plus Marketplace. Okay, and this software MazeMaker goes live on 17th of August 11 AM AST. Okay guys, I'm going to show you everything, so stay tuned. Guys, I'm just right now jump on my blog Passive Money University. This is my blog. I wrote the full review about this software MazeMaker here. Here is a lots of information I put that you need to know about this software MazeMaker. Okay guys, do you prefer to read full review? Link in my video description below. Just click the link and check out the full review about this software MazeMaker here on my blog Passive Money University. There's lots of info I put, like what is MazeMaker all about. MazeMaker software works 3 simple steps. A MazeMaker complete product overview is here. I also put the official demo here so you have no problem. Okay guys, and MazeMaker features, MazeMaker software pricing and OTOs. This information that no one can share with you. This software has 6 OTOs and the front-end price is only $17. All the OTOs and front-end price, this software is only one-time payment, you can see guys, and you can use forever. Also you can sell this software also. Okay guys, like your own software and rebranding, add your own logo and brand name. If you purchase the OTO number 6, only $97. Okay, I'm going to show the details so you have no confusion, I think. Okay guys, I will eradicate your confusion about this software MazeMaker. Here's the MazeMaker frequent asked questions. MazeMaker software bonuses. This is the vendor bonuses. Vendor will give you lots of software that created by vendor, like cartoon creator, music creator, and unlimited commercial license. And also here is another software, 81% discount, all upgrades, the another bonus, sorry. And guys, these are exclusive $3,745 bonuses that I will give you totally free if you purchase this software through my link. Believe me guys, I am an affiliate. I promote this software MazeMaker because this software is this software is profitable for you, and this software is easy to use. Okay, interface, and this software created by Akshat Gupta. Akshat Gupta is one of the best software creator. Okay, and this software will change your life guys, and if you purchase this software through via my link, I will give you $3,745 bonuses that I personally use all of my online businesses, and I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like this. Okay guys, and here is my 30 exclusive bonuses, and here is also my special bonuses that I will give you totally free. And how to claim your bonus? No problem. Just 2 simple steps to claim your bonuses is here. And also they will provide a 30 days money back guarantee, guys. This is me and about me. Okay, and 30 days they will provide money back guarantee. So guys, you have got nothing to lose, you have no problem actually. Right now guys, I'm just going to show you a step by step all the information about this software MazeMaker. So what is MazeMaker all about? You already know MazeMaker is the world's first one-click puzzle and maze book creator platform. Puzzles are a powerful interactive technique your competitors are not using. A consumer's attention span is shrinking every day. If you want to get some eyeballs and conversions, you need to think outside the box. Okay guys, this is very important information I put about this software, that the statistics I put. Okay, the lots of data is here. You can see the puzzle book is very powerful for marketing. Okay, and here's the MazeMaker is the only puzzle and maze book creator app you will ever need. Step number 1, log in and select from millions of ready to use puzzles and mazes or create one from scratch. Step number 2, add your own questions in puzzles or use inbuilt puzzles, mazes, riddles, etc, etc. Okay guys, step number 3, the final step of this software. Preview or download in one click, create unlimited puzzles and mazes, use it for selling yourself on Amazon KDP or sell your clients and keep the profits. No skills or experience is required with MazeMaker. You don't need to spend hours going through any learning curve. 150 plus top agency owners, freelancers, marketers, and more than 2,000 customers have started making money with MazeMaker on Amazon KDP and other platforms. Even till now, this software has created 10 million plus puzzles and mazes. It's huge, and now it is your time to use it for your business to skyrocket your traffic, conversion, and sales at a low one-time cost during this special 4-day launch deal, guys. Grab this the lowest price right now. Right now guys, I'm going to show you a MazeMaker complete product overview. Then I'm going to show you a quick demo about this software MazeMaker. The product name is MazeMaker, vendor name is Akshat Gupta and Joy Beshwani. Last date is 17th of August, 11 AM EST. This is the official website link of this software puzzle MazeMaker, guys. So you have no problem to find out the official website. And the price only is $17, the one-time price. Bonuses $3,745 of different categories bonuses that I will give you totally free. Skill is 1 levels guarantee, 30-day money back guarantee, guys. Okay, I recommended you can purchase this because this is the legit vendor and this is also the legit software that you will be able to create puzzle and maze books. Okay guys, right now I'm just going to jump the sales page and I'm going to show you quick demo how actually works this software, and then I'm going to show you MazeMaker features and MazeMaker pricing and OTOs, all other information. This is very important information, MazeMaker pricing and OTOs, so stay tuned. And right now I'm going to show you the MazeMaker demo, guys. This is the official demo that I'm going to show you right now. This is the creator Akshat Gupta and Joy Beshwani. The lots of software, guys. Okay, and if you want to sell your service, you can see lots of people make money using MazeMaker. They sell their service like this. This is very basic plan, $150. I will design Sudoku word search maze puzzles book cover. Only they make a book cover, they charge $150 for one client, and I will design maze crossword and word search puzzle as a workbook, $50, and 41 words he completed already. And the level 1 seller, level 2 seller, you can see the Fiverr gigs. Also you will be able to make this type of money, guys. Lots of gig, you can see the Fiverr marketplaces using this puzzle book creator, using this they're selling their service. Okay guys, right now I'm going to show you the official demo about this software MazeMaker, so stay tuned, guys. Okay, so let's see the quick demo. If you want to this demo on my blog page, you can also do this. Okay, here is the demo. Also you can full screen it and then see it, Also guys, you can watch it with me. Okay, so let's see it. Okay guys, I think you understand about this software MazeMaker. You have no problem guys, they will provide over the shoulder step-by-step video tutorials inside the members area, and this software is very easy to use guys. Okay, no experience required to use this software MazeMaker actually. Okay guys, and then you can see check out some puzzles and mazes samples created by MazeMaker. You can see all are created by MazeMaker, and their customers are making a lot of money by selling puzzles, mazes, riddles, etc. on freelancing websites and Amazon Kindle. You can see, okay, magic puzzles 3-pack series won the 1,000 copies, $49, okay, $249 and $55. Okay guys, I will do Sudoku word search, mazes, puzzles, activity, puzzle book. So you can also make money this way, okay, selling these puzzles and mazes book. And you can see you can sell these puzzles and mazes on various platforms like Fiverr, Craigslist, Freelancer, Upwork, Facebook, Amazon, Shopify, eBay, and also in LinkedIn and marketing prompts. Guys, right now I'm just back on my blog and I'm going to show you MazeMaker Freshers, professional and fully cloud-based platform, make easy money by selling puzzle books on Amazon, KDP, Shopify, etc. User-friendly puzzle and maze book creator software, millions of free-made puzzles, mazes, riddles, etc. with PLR license, 60-second puzzles and maze creations, millions of other free-made puzzle and like zipper, word, scramble, riddle, etc. Multiple niche free-made puzzles and mazes, sell unlimited puzzles and other books on Amazon KDP, commercial license included, no limitations, completely free no special skills or experience required, unlimited on-click download. Right now guys, I am going to show you MazeMaker pricing and audio. This is very important before purchase this software. Okay guys, the front end price only $17, and what you will get if you purchase the front end offer: professional and fully cloud-based platform, user-friendly puzzles and maze book creator software, hundreds of pre-made puzzles and mazes with PLL license, 60 seconds puzzles and maze creations, embed cover creator pacer, billions of the pre-made puzzles like Clipper, Word, Scramble, Riddle, etc., and sell unlimited puzzles and other books on Amazon KDP, commercial license included, no limitations, completely free, sell unlimited puzzles and mazes and earn like the big boys, no special skills or experience required, unlimited one-click download, step-by-step training, and so much more. And the audio number one guys, $37, MazeMaker Pro Plus unlimited reseller license, all with pro pacers, millions of pre-made puzzles and maze with PLR license, extra templates, unlimited reseller license, remove all restrictions and go limited, no watermark. And MazeMaker Gold audio number 2, the $37 guys. Price is very low but software is very high quality. Professional and fully cloud-based platform and all the features you can check out. Before purchase it guys, just click the link in my video description below. MazeMaker Diamond audio number 3, only $37. You will get these features, okay, no limitations, completely free. MazeMaker agency license audio number 4, $47. Personal admin file and add unlimited user, sell ebook maker at any price and limitless earnings. And MazeMaker done for you edition audio number 5, $67, only $67. 50 done for you product to sell all with reseller license. Okay, and here is MazeMaker white label edition audio number 6, the last audio of the software, $97. You can rebrand like as your own software guys, rebranding, add your own logo and brand name, just sell this software like your own software. Okay, what an opportunity they will provide guys. Do you have online business or you are thinking of creating one? You can sell the software business, you can build a software business online, okay, and start from this MazeMaker. Okay guys, right now I'm going to show you MazeMaker frequently asked questions. This is very important guys. Do I need experience or writing skills to get started? Absolutely no, because this is the beginner friendly. Do you provide a money back guarantee? Absolutely, they will provide a 30-day money back guarantee. You can see here is a step-by-step training included. Yes, MazeMaker comes with a step-by-step video training that makes it easy for you to go through the entire process without any turbulence. And another question, how are you different from other tools available in the market? It is packed with industry-leading pacers that have never been offered before. You will get these pacers at such a low price anywhere. Okay, the other questions, does your software work easily on Mac and Windows? MazeMaker is 100% cloud-based, so you can download and use it on Mac and Windows operating system. Do you provide any support? Absolutely, they will provide 24/7 support guys. Okay, thank you so much guys watching my MazeMaker review. I really hope it did help you with your buying decision. This system, this software MazeMaker is coming out with many bonuses. Okay, grab these many bonuses as soon as possible. Click the link in my video description below. This is the legit software guys, so you can purchase it. You can start your online business using this software. You can start your book selling business using this software MazeMaker. Okay, and you can make money from also freelance marketplaces guys. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends and family who actually struggling to make money from online. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon my new video. Stay safe and subscribe to my channel.